So today we are out on the lake in our community in Norway. It's so beautiful today, and it's July 2026, and me and my husband, we are out canoeing, and I'm so happy that I decided to come back on my YouTube channel, Ruth's Carpe Diem. And I hope you still want to join me. So I wanted to tell you that a lot of things have changed. And yes, so I didn't have time to make any videos. But I hope I can make again now. I hope so. Some short videos and one longer video in the week. That's my goal. Yes.